Open the box and remove all accessories. Carefully remove the machine from the box by grasping the plastic bag with both hands and set it on a flat surface. Remove the plastic bag, tape, and cushioning materials from the main unit. Remove the yellow quick guide from the top of the machine. Open the top cover and remove all packing material. Rotate the toner container lock lever backward and then forward. Remove the toner container by first lifting the right side and then pull the container out of the machine. Be careful not to touch the toner feed slot or these terminal parts. Turn the toner container over and shake it at least 10 times to distribute the toner evenly inside the container. Replace the toner container into the main unit by aligning this tab with this guide on the right side. Press the toner container down firmly. Push the toner lock lever to the rear. Close the top cover. Open the waste toner box cover, open the cap of the waste toner bottle, and slide the waste toner container into the machine. Close the waste toner box cover.